this video, I'll be discussing the themes, the predominant themes used by Robert Frost in the poem Birches. And I have about 4 here. Number 1 is the certainty of the transition from childhood to adulthood. Robert Frost actually painted this, and it's a message that one must actually and definitely transit from childhood to adulthood. No matter the enjoyment and the freedom you enjoy and the utopia you enjoy in your childhood, you must definitely outgrow that stage and then move on to adulthood, whereby the realities of life hits you. So this is a predominant theme in the poem. Number 2 is celebration of the imaginative spirit. The poet Robert Frost actually sends this message, which is predominant in the poem, that the imaginative spirit is beautiful. It can actually take one from a situation whereby one actually does not really like it, a situation of frustration, a situation of pain, into a world whereby there are no pains and there are no frustrations. So the poet celebrates this gift given to us by God to actually imagine a world of ours. Number 3 is life is harsh. The poet paints this theme in the poem that as one goes through life's situation, life's challenges to meet up ends meet in life, to eke out a living, to get food, to get shelter, to get the basics of life, the challenges of getting these things are actually harsh in nature. So it makes man to be frustrated, and it actually creates that painful scenario going through life. So it is a predominant theme that word life is harsh. And then the last one, which is the 4th one, is the utopian and dystopian world of childhood and that of adulthood. And this poem is evident in the poem, whereby the world of children are actually beautiful because they actually have no worries to go through life. The food they eat, the house and the shelter, everything, the clothes they wear are all provided by their parents. They actually have no worry. So they live in a world filled with bed of roses. But the world of the adults is filled with challenges and frustrations. They have to go into the society to eke out a living, to get food, to get shelter, to get clothes, and then they must go through hard work to get these things. So these are pretty much the predominant themes found in Birches by Robert Frost. In our next video, I'll be discussing the poetic devices embedded in the poem.